Prime Minister Narendra Modi hosted India's chess contingent at his residence in New Delhi. During the free-wheeling discussion, many ideas and key moments were exchanged. Players also shared light-hearted moments and old memories with the Prime Minister. Here's a report. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hosted India's 45th Chess Olympiad's gold medal-winning Indian contingent at his residence in New Delhi. During the interaction, the Indian chess players exchanged their memories and key moments with the Prime Minister. At the freewheeling interaction, the players said that they were elated to hear that Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated them during the New York diaspora event, where the reverberations were heard across international borders.
हम लोग बस में से आ रहे थे और आपका स्पीच हम लोग लाइव देख रहे थे और आपने वहाँ पे अनाउंस कर दिया वर्ल्ड में कि भारत ने ये ऐतिहासिक 2 गोल्ड मेडल जीते और हम सब लोग उस टाइम साथ में बस थे. हमें इतनी खुशी हुई सबको.
Indian women chess players Harika Dronawali and Tanya Sachdev both thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi for continuously uplifting their morale before and after the event.
मैंने हमेशा देखा है कि आप हर स्पोर्ट और हर स्पोर्ट पर्सन को इतना इनकरेज करते हैं और इतना सपोर्ट करते हैं. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपका स्पोर्ट्स से बहुत बड़ा लगाव है.
आई थिंक हमें ही नहीं ये इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है बाकी चेस जो खेलते हैं अभी उनके लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशन हो गए कि
Talking on the importance of sports development for the country, Prime Minister said it is not only about economical figures that run a country, but sports also stands as an important pillar in a nation's economy.
खेल में भी मैक्सिमम गोल हमारे बच्चे कैसे लाएं, ये जब होता है इतने सारे वर्टिकल, तब देश महान बनता है.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi shared the memories of chess event organized by him 2 decades ago in Gujarat, where Indian chess player Vantika also participated as a young chess player.
फिर आपने जब इतना मुझे एनकरेज किया ये तो मैं इतना खुश हो गई थी कि मैंने कहा अब तो मुझे पूरी जान लगा देनी है चेस में.
During the interaction with the Prime Minister, all the players shared valuable moments and key ideas as well on how to improve the game, keeping technology in mind.
With AI, the chess has evolved. There has been new technology, and the computers have become much stronger now. And it is showing a lot of new ideas in chess, and we are still learning from it. And I think there is a lot to learn from it.
सर आई थिंक अभी ऐसा हो गया है कि AI के टूल्स सबको अवेलेबल हो गए क्योंकि डेमोक्रेटाइज हो गया है और अभी हम जरूर प्रिपरेशन में यूज करते हैं.
India came back from Budapest registering a glorious performance, bagging multiple gold medals at 45th Chess Olympiad. With this achievement, India is witnessing a new era in the world of chess with many more milestones in the pipeline for the country.